Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pick up an extra shift in Hotschedules. So without further ado, let's dive in. So right from here, you want to go ahead and you want to make sure that you are choosing a day that you would like to pick up or even swap a shift. So right at the top of this page, you'll have two options. The first one is the release this shift, and the second one is swap this shift. So what you can do here is you can release the entire shift. So that would be from the beginning of your shift all the way to the end of the shift, or you can just release a part of the shift. So you can go ahead and you can choose any one of these options. If you are choosing the release partial shift, this means that you'll have to add a time in, and you can also add a reason for your shift. You'll see over here, once it's confirmed, you'll be notified that once an employee has picked up your shift and it's been approved by a manager, you're no longer responsible for that shift. But up until that time, you are still responsible to, of course, fulfill that shift. Let's have a look at the swap this shift option. Now, once you go in here, it will have the opportunity to trade your time or your shift with another employee. Over here, you'll be able to select another employee, and again, you'll have to add a reason in here. Again, you'll see over here, it says you've initiated a shift swap, but the person will need to accept the swap, and then of course you'll need approval from a manager, and only thereafter will you no longer be responsible for the shift. And there you go, folks, you're all sorted. Now, if this was enjoyable, you can go ahead, drop us a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.